So we continue from what we stopped in the last video. Okay, circle theorem. Now, in today's class, we're looking at some of these theorems that we're going to apply to solving questions. Now, this first theorem states that what angle at center is twice angle at circumference. Okay, angle at center is twice angle at circumference, meaning x is equals to what? 2y. The same thing applies here. Angle at center is twice angle at circumference, which implies that what x is equals to what? 2y. Now, for this theorem, this is a segmented diagram. Okay, so that's angles at each segment are what? The same. Okay, so that means if this place is A, this place is automatically going to be what? A. This place also will be what? A. That's angle in the same segment. Now, for this one also below, angle in the same segment are what? The same. This place is B. Automatically, this place will be what? B. Finally, for this theorem, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means inscribing a quadrilateral inside the circle. Okay, which implies that what? The opposite angles, when you add them together, you get 180. Which implies that what? B plus D gives me 180. Also, A plus C must give me 180. Quickly, let's look at how we're going to apply these theorems to solving questions. For example 1, but look for M and N in this case. To look for M, using this first theorem, is by saying what? M is equal to what? 2 times what? 70. That means angle at center is what? Twice angle at circumference. Which therefore gives us our M to what? 140 degrees. Okay, now for our N, we can solve it two ways. The first way is by using this last theorem, which is what? Cyclic quadrilateral. Or we get this angle first, this angle above M, that's the reflex angle, before we now what? Use this other one, to what? Solve. But using the simplest one, N plus 70 equals what? 180. Cyclic quadrilateral is the reason. Now, we now gives us our N to what? 180 minus 70, leaving us with what? 110 degrees. Number 2. Now, in the bottom question, we have to look for x. Now, to find x is by finding this angle also, then add the four angles together equal to 360. You find your x. Now, to get this angle, we're going to be using what? Angle at center equals twice angle at circumference. So assume the angle at circumference here is A. What does that become? We have that 120 equals what? 2A. Divided by 2, we have our A to be equals to what? 60 degrees. So we have our A now to what? 60 degrees. Now to find this angle, that's our reflex angle. What are we going to do? We subtract 120 from what? 360 and go at a point. That becomes what? 360 minus 120, leaving us is what? 240 degrees. 240 degrees. Okay, and so now our angle there is what? 240. Finally, to get x, you add the whole four angles and equal to what? 360. So we're going to have that x plus what? 60 plus what? 240 plus what? 25 is equal to what? 360 degrees. That's angle in the quadrilateral. Therefore, having it as what? X plus what? This is 300, that's 325 equals what? 360 degrees. Therefore, our x is equals to what? 360 minus 325, leaving our answer to what? To be 35 degrees. Therefore, our x there is what? 35 degrees. Now, so example 3. Find the angles marked PQR in the diagram below if S is 56 degrees and W is what? 20 degrees. Now, this is the diagram. Okay, this is the actual diagram. Now, this is why I represented our S to be 56 degrees and our W was 20 degrees. Now, to find PQR now, what are we going to do? Now, in one of our theorems, we discussed angle in the same segment. In this case, this is our chord, this is our chord. Okay, well, for this chord, this is the minor segment, this is the major segment. For this chord, that's the minor segment, this is the major segment. Now, looking at it, I can easily get my P using this first chord, this chord that's below here. My P is going to be equal to what? 56 degrees. Why? Because angle in the same segment are what? Equal. The same segments. Okay, now that's P. Now, how can I get my Q? Looking at this chord, my Q is equal to what? 28 degrees. Okay, that's angle in the same segment. Now, since I've gotten my Q to be 56, my Q to what? 28, I can get my R. Angle in same segment. I can get my R now. That becomes what? P plus Q plus R equals what? 180 degrees. That's total angle in a triangle. Therefore, we have our R plus what? 56 plus 28 to equals what? 180 degrees. We have our R plus what? R plus, this becomes what? That's 4. Then we have 7, that's 84 equals 180. Leaving our R to what? 180 and that's 84. Then 20 minus 84. We have that, that's 6. 6. Then we have 70 minus 8, which is 96 degrees.